underground bunker. Everybody to catch up. Yeah, these tours were designed for 5 only 4 years ago, but within the first half an hour. If you keep going this way, we realised that we had to increase it to 40 just to keep going. It's 3,000 people a day come down. Right, welcome to the air raid shelters. These were built in World War II purely because King's Lynn was disproportionately bombed. The Luftwaffe would target the docks and the bearing factory South Lynn, but they also, on the way back from bombing Manchester, Birmingham, Staffordshire, they were told to come to King's Lynn, triangulate from here, and then get back on the safe route to Germany, but they were told to drop any spare bombs, so we had 402 over the whole of the town. So at the end of each of these tunnels, you notice there's 2 special VIP rooms. They're not for the VIPs, they're actually the toilets. Please don't use them today because they don't work and you would upset everybody in this corridor. The capacity is 300. During World War II, most people using these were under the age of 18, 16. Purely because dad's fighting a war, mum's working in factories, so literally the kids had to come on their own. There was no lighting as well. I'm going to keep going this way. The hole here. The air raid shelters are operated by the... We all shout loud. We're operated by the Bridge for Heroes. If you need to know more about the air raids or World War II, there's a free exhibition of their centre. There's cards upstairs, you can just go there, take short, it's all hands-on, and you can find out on every single bombing there's a map that tells you which was hit and what the consequences of that raid were. They kept bombing the Gaywood estate because it was built in World War II, and the Germans, when they saw aerial photography, thought they were building a new airway to attack them when they come in. But they were building houses, which the modern way of building is in squares. So that's why that was disproportionately bombed when you see on the map. Oh, here we go. Keep moving along and take your seats on both sides. We are going to simulate an air raid over King's Lynn. The reason I say that, it's slightly different to an air raid over a city, which is high level, which they got a lot of notice of. With King's Lynn, you may have the notice you're now going to be given is how long before the bombs would hit. So in Norfolk Street alone, on evening, air raid! Air raid! Before that siren hit one night, the bomber had actually come up over the wash and dropped a bomb and killed 50 people on Norfolk Street straight away. So you can see King's Lynn does get hit quite a bit. They blew up the walks 4 times, the rubbish tip 3 times, and Gaywood lots. Now the bomb would be over. That would have hit the McDonald's kids, so there's no McDonald's in World War II. Oh, that would have hit the tax office and the council offices for the Doing well with the Luftwaffe. As I say, most from eyewitness testimony we've taken over the years, most people in these were actually under the age of 18, so it's young children. No lights were on and they didn't like it all. A lot of them would walk out when the air raids are running. There's no law in World War II for an air raid warden to order a child to stay in these. Especially on the day when one hit across the square. So a bomb hit and this just literally shot. We are going to do a different way out. There'll be a warden round there, follow him. If you lose him, keep going right, left. Keep going left, left, left. And basically you will come to the exit. If you don't, I'll see you on the next two and I'll pick you up. Thank you very much.